Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to class 8 again. Who I am your math teacher Miss Falak Nas, and I hope all of you are good and doing well at home. This is your first class right after your winter break. Okay, and as you know that chapter number 2, system of real numbers, exponents and radicals, belong to your arithmetic copy. Okay, students, before starting anything, I want to discuss some rules and regulations regarding the online classes that we are going to start from today. Okay, as you know that we have revised your timetable, means previously you have only two lectures in a week. Okay, if you remember that you have only two lectures in a week along with two homeworks, but now from onwards you have four lectures in a week along with two homeworks. Understand? Four lectures in a week and two homeworks. Now what you are going to do in the online lectures, why we are taking four lectures in a week? Because from today we are going to do classwork as well during the online class. Understand? So if you are going to do online class, if you are going to take online class, so you have to do the classwork as well in your fair copy. So what you have, you should have your math book in front of you and chapter and your arithmetic copy. Okay, you should have your arithmetic copy right now. Now please, all of you, you must have your arithmetic copy in front of you as well as your book, math book. I'm going to tell you which chapter and which exercise, so please, Ahmed Mustafa, please wait. Understand? Now please tell me, do you have your book and arithmetic copy in front of you? And please tell me that you have blue pen and black pen. Hmm? Please write it down. Yes, we will do classwork today. Okay, Lujan, we will do classwork today. So for that, you have your book and copy in front of you. You have to do the work in your classwork copy. Fair work. Understand? Please do not do any rough work. Okay, now what you are going to do? First, what I'm going to do, I'm going to tell you the index on the slides. Then you will copy down that index in your copy on the index page. Then I'm going to explain the given question with the help of some examples. Understand? I'm going to explain the examples on the slides or with the help of video, and you have to do the respective question that is written in your index in your copy by yourself. Okay, copy work will be done by you, understand, by yourself, and I'm going to explain only the examples. Now when you were doing your work, so you should have your turn on, you should have to turn on your videos. Okay, I'm going to check your answers with the help of your videos, so you have to turn on your video. Is it clear? To tell to, so that I can check your answers. Obviously, when you are going to do math sums in your copy, so I want to check it. Okay, so for this you have to turn on your video. Is it clear? If you are not going to turn on your video or mic, so obviously uh, I'm not going to give you marks. Okay, class, please tell me, is it clear? Please reply in the chat box, is it clear or not? Why you are not replying? Students, okay, you have to turn on your video and you have to show me your answers. Understand? I'm going to explain the examples in the lecture and you have to solve the question in your copy by yourself. Understand? And you have to turn on your video as well as mic whenever I'm asking you about it. Okay, where are other students? Only Lojane and Rumesa are replying. Sania, if you are not at home, so beta, please try to be punctual. Okay, and please do this work fair. You have to do the fair work in your classwork copy. Is it clear? If everything is clear, so that I'm going to start the lecture. Please tell me, is it clear? Do you have copy in your in front of you? Okay, Alicia Junaid. Okay, now. Okay, now what is our today's lecture content? Today we are going to do exercise number 2.7. Okay, exercise number 2.7. Understand? So what you have to do, you have to write down the index in arithmetic copy. Write down the index in arithmetic copy, and this is your index. Exercise number 2.7, question number 7. Write down the date here, everyone. And kindly open exercise number 2.7, page number 45. 2.7, page number 45. Done? 2.7, page number 45. Done? Have you written text? Please tell me about index. Okay. Now I'm going to start the lecture. So if you have book in front of you, so you can see question number 7 in your book on page number 45. Now I'm going to explain exercise number 2.7. What you have question, simplify. And this is your exemplary question. Okay, this is the example. I'm repeating again, this is the example. Please do not copy down this in your copy. Understand? I'm going to explain this example and you have to solve question number 7 with the help of this example. Clear? Is it clear? Students, please reply fast. Okay, Zimel, you are asking for the index. So this is index beta. Exercise number 2.7, question number 7. Zimel, is it clear? Hmm? Okay, now exercise number 2.7, this is example and I'm going to solve it with the help of video. So please tell me, is the video clear or not? A little bit blur because clear. So this is example. Okay, now how will you start your work? First you will write down the date. Okay, first you will write down the date, then exercise number 2.7, question number 7, then simplify. Okay, now this is example. I'm writing again here, this is basically example, so please do not do this example in your copy. Understand? Mother, why you are asking that I have to tell everything from starting, beta? What is not clear to you? Mother, what's wrong with you, beta? About copy means you have to do this work in arithmetic copy and you have to write down the date, then exercise number 2.7, question number 7. Okay, Meta, then you will write down here simplify. I know you have net problem, Meta, so okay, should I start? Okay, Meta, it's okay. Arithmetic copy. Meta, open arithmetic copy and simply write down date and exercise number 2.7, question number 7. Do not write this question in your copy. Class, you have nothing to do in your copy. Just listen to me. Okay? Now, okay, thank you, Romesa. Please, you have nothing to do in your copy. Just listen this example. This is example. Please do not copy down in your copy. Clear? You have to solve question number 7 with the help of this example. Understand? This is not your question number 7. Hmm? Okay, now listen. What's your question here? This is your question in which you have fourth root. This is fourth root. Fourth under root bx. Zimel, listen this question. You have to do question number 4 in the class. I'm going to give you some time so that you can do question number 7 during this online classes. Question number 7 is not your homework. Question number 7 is your classwork. Okay. Now, this is your question in which you have fourth root. Inside root, you have bx divided by by. Then sign of multiplication. Then you have fourth root. Under fourth root, you have by divided by br. This is r. Okay, multiply by fourth root. Okay, fourth root br divided by bx. Understand? Now what you have to do, you have to multiply these terms and you have to simplify it. Okay, what you will do, you have to simplify it. Now how will you simplify it? First, as you can see inside the bracket, sorry, inside the under root, you have numerator and denominator, and as you can see, your numerator and denominator base is same. The base here is b and the base here is b. Similarly, inside this root you have same base, that is b, and the powers are different. Again, you have same base and different powers. Okay, when you have same bases along with different powers and those are dividing with each other, so what you will do, you will take this denominator base upside and it will get subtracted. Okay, how will you write it down, this thing? In this way, equal to sign, simply you will write down here fourth root, this is fourth root. Okay, then what is your common base here? The common base, same base, I will say that the same base. Okay, same base which is b. Okay, the same base is here, you will take the same base which is b. Okay, now simply you will subtract their powers. First you will write down here x minus y. Understand? Clear? Okay, now after that you will move toward this one, multiply sign. Then again you have under root fourth root, this is your fourth root. And again you have same base, so which is your same base, which is b. So you will write b one time, then your y, and obviously जब r को ऊपर लेकर आएंगे तो it will be minus r. Clear? Then multiply by, again sign of multiplication, then fourth root. Understand? The same base which is b, numerator and denominator base is same, so you will write b only one time, then this r numerator, and when you are going to take it upside, so it will be right, you will write minus x, sign will be changed. Understand? Please tell me this step is clear or not. Is this step clear? Please write it down in the chat box. Okay, in the first step what you will do, you will take the same base and simply subtract the denominator's power. Obviously जब आप इसको ऊपर लेकर आएंगे तो ये minus हो जाएगा. Understand? What you have inside the bracket, sorry, inside the root, you have the terms which are dividing with each other. So as you can see here, the base is same. Okay, so you will take your same base only, you will write your same base only one time, then the denominator numerator power which is x, और obviously जब इस y को आप ऊपर लेकर आएंगे तो ये हो जाएगा minus y. Okay, नीचे प्लस है, ऊपर आके minus y. Understand? Now if you remember the concept of rational exponent, I'm going to show you here. If you have this one square root, this is a square root, so it will be equals to 1 upon 2, right? If you have cube root, so it is equals to 1 upon 3, right? If you have fourth root, so it will be equals to 1 upon 4. Okay, now here you have fourth root, so this fourth root can also be written down in this form, in 1 upon 4 form, right? So in the next step you will write it down this one. First you will write this b x minus y. Okay, then you will make the bracket and you will simply write 1 upon 4. Why 1 upon 4? This is fourth root and your fourth root is equals to 1 upon 4. Then you will do with this term as well, multiply by, then you will write this one b y minus r, and it has whole power which is 1 upon 4. Clear? Then you will do the same thing with this one, you will write here multiply b r minus x and whole power 1 upon 4. Understand? This is your second step. Clear? This is your second step. Right? Now, after that, what you will see, you will have here power of the power, power to the power or power of the power. So if you have power of the power, so power will be multiplied with each other, means this x minus y will be multiplied this 1 upon 4. Okay, now I'm going to show you in the working rough work here. Here you have x minus y, and you are going to multiply this with 1 upon 4. Okay, so how will you write it down here? Simply you will write here b, okay, and simply multiply their powers, which is x minus y, and you are going to multiply it 1 upon 4. Similarly with this one, which is b, you will write here y minus r, and you are going to multiply it 1 upon 4. Simply with this one, which is b r minus x, and you are going to multiply it with 1 upon 4. Understand? Powers को अब आप क्या करेंगे? Multiply. How will you multiply it? Now, this x will be multiplied this 1 upon 4. Similarly, this y will also multiply this 1 upon 4. Just suppose here you have this one, that is x minus y multiplied by 1 upon 4. So x को 1 से multiply करेंगे and 4 will remain same. So you will write here x upon 4. When you are going to multiply this y with 1 upon 4, before you have minus sign, so it will be y upon 4. Okay, when you are going to multiply this x with 1 upon 4, so it will become x upon 4. Then sign of subtraction, when you are going to multiply this y with 1 upon 4, so it will become y upon 4. Clear? So in all these steps, what you will do, simply you will multiply this x with 1 upon 4, then y with 1 upon 4. Then same you will do with these terms as well, with these terms as well. Okay, so in the next step, I'm going to write here b. Now x will be multiplied with 1 upon 4, so it will become x upon 4 minus y will be multiplied with 1 upon 4, so it will become y upon 4. Understand? Then sign of multiplication, then your base, which is b here, then simply powers multiply हो रही हैं. So what you will do, you will multiply this y. Okay, now you will multiply this y first with 1 upon 4. Okay, so it will become y upon 4, then sign of minus here, then r will be multiplied with 1 upon 4, so it will be r upon 4. Clear? Now move on to the last term, which is b. Then what you will do, you will multiply this r with 1 upon 4, so it will be r upon 4. Okay, then sign of subtraction, then x will be multiplied with this one, so it will become x upon 4. Clear? After that, as you can see, what you have, the same bases are same. I mean, here you have base b, the base here is b, the base here is b. Base is same and they are multiplying with each other. Okay, between them the sign is multiplication. So when the bases are same, so their powers will be added. Okay, if the bases are same, just suppose if you have what you have here, just suppose if you have b square multiplied by b cube. So what you will do, simply you will write b 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 which equals to b 5. Okay, if the base is same, so powers will be added. So similarly, what you have, the same base, which is b. Okay, you have same base, which is b, and what you will do, simply add their powers. Okay, now which is your same base? B. So you will write here b. This is your same base, which is b. Understand? Now what you will do, simply you will add their power. So this one is the first power, so we will write inside the bracket x upon 4 minus y upon 4, bracket close, then plus this power. Inside the bracket you will write y upon 4 minus r upon 4, bracket close, then sign of addition. Why? Because powers will be add together. Okay, then you have r upon 4, r upon 4 minus x upon 4. Understand? You will take the same base, which is b. Base is same, so you will write the base only one time, and you will add their powers. Understand? This is the power of this b, then this power and this power, and in between them you will place the sign of addition. Understand? Clear? Should I move? Should I move to the next step? Okay, now look at here. What you will do now, simply you will open the bracket. Which formula, Abdulahad? You are talking about which formula? I haven't used any formula here. Okay, now what you will do, simply you will open the brackets. Obviously it has plus sign, all the brackets has plus sign, so no need to change the sign inside the bracket. So what I'm going to do, simply I'm going to write here b. It will become x upon 4 minus y upon 4. Okay, the sign of plus, then again y upon 4 minus r upon 4, then plus, okay, what you have, r upon 4 minus x upon 4. ठीक है, x upon 4 minus y upon 4 plus y upon 4 minus r, this is r, okay, r upon 4 plus r upon 4 minus x upon 4. Uh, okay, Ulujan, you can arrange it or you can simply cancel it. Here you have x upon 4 and here you have minus x upon 4. Plus x upon 4 and minus x upon 4. So simply cancel it. Here you have minus y upon 4 and then plus y upon 4. So isko bhi cancel kar de. Understand? Then you have minus r upon 4 and plus r upon 4. So you will cancel it as well. Okay, you will cancel it as well. So what will be left here? What will be left? You will left with, I'm going to write here, we will left with b raised to the power 0. Now which power is left here? 0. And you know, if anything, any value has 0 power, so it will be equals to 1. So your answer will be equals to 1. Right? It will be equals to 1. So the answer, this is your answer, which is equals to 1. Is it clear? Is it clear? Yes. Abdul Wasi, you are right. Now I'm repeating again. First, what you will do, simply you will write down the heading solution, then you will take the same base, and obviously when the bases are same and they are dividing with each other, so power will be subtracted. When the same base and dividing with each other, so power will be subtracted. So you will write x minus y, same base which is b, then y minus r, then same base which is b, then r minus x. Understand? Now simply this is under root, this is fourth root, so fourth root can also written in this form, that is 1 upon 4. Okay, so you will write this fourth root in this form. Understand? Now simply you will multiply the powers and the powers को multiply करेंगे, so you will multiply it and then simply add the bases, add the powers. Okay, now this is your answer. Now student, I'm going to stop the video here. Just a minute. Yes, I know you are excited. Okay. Now I have explained this example. Okay. Now what you have to do, you have to attempt question number 7 of exercise 2.7. This is your exercise question number 7. Okay, now solve this question 7 in your copy, everyone. And please turn on your video so that I can check whether how you are solving it. Everyone. Yes, students. Please solve question number 7 in your copy, everyone, and please turn on your videos. Yes, Fatma, please start the solution. Yes, Abdul Wasi, Lujan, please do question number 7 in your copy, and I'm going to ask to start the video. Should I show the steps? Students, should I show you the steps? Or you can do it by yourself? Fatma, please start the solution. Okay, Lujan, why I'm not watching your video? Abdul Rahman. Very good. Who is this? This is Abdul Ahad. Abdul Ahad, I'm going to check your just a minute. Okay, Abdul Ahad. Okay, should okay, very good. Very good, very good. All of you are solving. Very good, Fatma. Very good. Okay, Abdullah Had is solving. Okay, Abdullah Had, I'm going to check your answer. Just give me a minute. Uh, Abdullah Had, थोड़ा सा और करीब कीजिए, please. Abdullah Had. देखिए ये Rumesa, you are showing very good. Yes, I can see your video, Rumesa. Yes, Shabash, Rumesa, continue, please. Okay, Abdullah Had, one by one, each step show to me. Each step, one by one. Hmm. Okay. Okay. Now, ऊपर लेके जाइए वीडियो को, कॉपी को थोड़ा सा. Last steps, last steps. Show me the last steps, Abdullah Had. Hmm. नहीं नजर आ रहा. Abdullah Had, B is equals to, why you are writing B? You have A. Abdullah Had, in the second step you are writing B, which is A, beta. Please write it, correct it. Okay, who is this? Lujen. Okay, who is this? Lujen. And what about other students, beta? Why you are not showing your videos? Please turn on your videos, everyone. Abdullah Had, where is your video, beta? 1 minute. क्या हो रहा है? 1 minute, I'm checking your. Okay, Fazia. Okay, Fazia, you should tell me the answer in the chat box. Okay. Okay, Abdullah, it's okay. Okay, Fazia. Okay, how many? Okay, Fatma, you are showing your video. You are showing your answer. Okay, now please, one by one. Okay, show each step, Fatma. Okay. Now little move it. Now show me the second step. Now third step. Okay. 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 Right. Right. Answer. Final answer. Where is the answer, Fatma? Very good, Fatma. Okay, now what about Mariam? Mariam, please show each step. मरियम. Mariam, where is Mariam? Yes. Okay. ये फुल स्क्रीन पे नहीं आ रहा. हाँ ये सही है, अब सही. Okay, Abdul Ahad, your answer is right. Now I'm moving to the next one. क्या हो गया? Okay, everyone, please write down the answer in the chat box. Hang हो गया, hang हो गया. ताबिया को बोले, ताबिया को, ताबिया. Okay, class. Hang हो गया. क्लास चल रही है.